Okay, good day and welcome back. We've got another unboxing video. Today we've got something from one of our newest sponsors, Tillyard, T-L-Y-A-R-D, however that might be pronounced. I'm not always the best with pronunciations, but let's open this up and see what we've got. It is the matte carbon fiber center armrest cover. So some pretty straightforward, easy directions. Unlike some of the other carbon fiber pieces that we have, there's none of that red sticky tape on the back. What is different is this edge is taller than this edge, and as the instructions tell you, that you will want to take and place that taller edge going forward, so closest to your cup holders, and that this simply snaps down over the top of the existing armrest. So let's go head out to the truck and get this item installed. By the way, Tillyard has set up a 30% off discount code if you use the code TeslaKen. Hey, that's me. And enter that in your order on their website. You will get 30% off your entire order. So again, use that code of TeslaKen. So all right, let's go head out to the truck and get this thing installed. Okay, here we are in the truck, and this padded center armrest piece actually came with the seat covers that were installed a while back. And so you can see it attaches here, has a couple of like elastic straps underneath that hold it on. So this piece just kind of slides off. It's pretty easy to do. And then we're back to our regular factory center console cover there. Now we would take the carbon fiber one, and again we want to have the thicker lip here facing towards the front, and then it's just a matter of pressing this down over the top. So let's get that done a second and I'll get that all situated. Okay, so here we are back with the piece now completely installed. As you recall, I had this prior rear piece already as part of the whole wraparound piece and everything I had for the rear screen. This is another matte carbon piece that matches in the same pattern. Again, it easily, just snaps over the top of the existing piece. The lip goes around here. As you can see, fits around this all the way around. Holding that on, could you pull it off if you tried? Sure, you just probably flex out a little bit and pull it off, but it's on there very snug. It's not gonna, it's not just gonna slide off. Like here, I'm pushing forward on it. It's not sliding forward. It's got a good grip, good adhesion. Piece opens and closes like it should. Looks good, matches up with the rest of the carbon fiber. Pretty soon this whole truck's going to be made out of carbon fiber. But I'd like to thank Tillyard for supplying this piece for our review in this article. Again, they've got a 30% off code now on their website using the code TeslaKen. I'd like to thank everyone for tuning in today, and stay tuned as we continue to add more to the HaloCybertruck.com website. Thanks for watching.